This Coldwell Banker Wallace property video is presented by Marcia Moon. Featuring Loudon waterfront lot close to West Knoxville. Building lot is 1.6 acres and includes approximately 418 feet of shoreline. Existing driveway is located on Beals Chapel Rd. Lovely gently rolling lot with mature trees and big views. Riparian rights/survey on file. Please call before entering property, per seller. Zoned residential/no restrictions/no HOA. For more information, review the details below or contact Marcia Moon at 865-584-4000.